Presenting the student a series of graphs or pictures, and the student will have a minute to respond. If the child uses paper and pencil to find the correct response for an item, and you cannot clearly determine the child's intended response, say, point to your answer. For those items that require the child to point to a response in the stimulus booklet, position yourself so that you can see where the child points. To begin administering this subtest, say, in this next section, I will read some mathematics questions aloud. On some questions, you can read along silently. After I read a question, I will give you some time to work. Provide the child with a blank sheet of paper and a pencil and say, I want you to point to 3 of the frogs. Now, turn the page. Point to the tallest shape. Okay. Turn the page. Brian's family had 2 cats. Then his mother brought home another cat. How many cats did they have then? Point to the number of cats. Turn the page. For the listening comprehension subtest of the Wyatt, for items 1 to 9, position yourself so that you can see where the child points. For each of these items, allow the child about 10 seconds to respond. For each of items 10 to 36, allow the child about 15 seconds to respond. Do not repeat any passage. The examiner's page for item 1 contains directions for teaching. Do not provide any teaching for items 2 to 36. To begin administering this subtest, say, I am going to show you some pages with pictures on them. I will say a word that goes with one of the pictures on the page. Then I will tell you to point to the picture that best goes with the word that I say. Turn to the examiner's page for the child's first item. So in this test, Brian, I would like you to follow my directions and my instructions. And when you are done with that particular page, I would like you to flip it over. So, on this page that you are looking at here, the word that we are looking for is empty. Point to the picture that shows an empty box. Is that an empty box?
Uh-huh.
You should have pointed to the picture on the bottom right. Do you see that empty box there, Brian? Yes. That box is empty. It does not have any pizza. So that is the correct response. For the rest of the test, I cannot give you any answers. Can you please flip it over? The word is jar. Point to the jar. Okay. Is that your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Turn the page, please. The word is same. Point to the picture where the animals are the same. Is that your response, Brian?
Yes.
Turn the page. The word is healthy. Point to the healthy person. Is that your response?
Yes.
Turn the page. The word is pen. Point to the pen. Is that your response, Brian?
Yes.
Turn the page. Please. The word is doze. Point to the picture that shows doze. Is that your response?
Yes.
Okay. Concludes our mock test of the Wyatt. Thank you so much for your attention and for watching, and have a good night.